I've got a video for you guys here. This is a Temu haul, and I am checking my mic levels, trying to make sure. These two things right here I actually got a couple weeks ago. I've not had a chance to actually do a video on these, but I will on this, basically putting it all in one video. So, because I got another package that came today. This is a precision bit set. I actually saw this on another video, but it's just a simple, nice magnetic bit set. The one that I used to have, I got from Harbor Freight, and it didn't have the magnets, so your bits would just fall out. And that's why I'm happy I got this one, because it actually stays inside there. And it actually comes with quite a few bits. It's got the try, it's got the, I forgot what that was called, but I've seen that on a couple electronic components. So this is pretty nice. So I'll end up using this for quite a few different things. This is a intelligent digital multimeter. I've actually already played with this just a little bit. This has the non-contact voltage tester on it, and I'm not an expert when it comes to digital multimeters. I know there's a lot of channels out there that go into a lot of detail with these, Chinese-made multimeters. I just needed a smaller one because the one that I used to carry around with my to-go tool bag, some of the leads on it were coming apart, and for some reason it kind of started to want to stop reading DC voltage for some reason. I took it out, I looked at all the fuses, and all the fuses were fine, but this one has a light on it, a backlight. The only thing I haven't been able to figure out is how to change it from Celsius to Fahrenheit for the temperature. But it's got a little flashlight on there. It's got, all these continuity mode, ohms, frequency. So it's just a basic little multimeter, and it comes with these leads here. So now I've got this Temu stuff. And I got a couple different things in here. This is a sharpening stone. I've not had very much experience with these sharpening stones for knives, so I'm going to kind of play around with this. I think this was like something stupid, like $3 or something. But all of this stuff that I have here was less than $30, maybe with shipping. I've got two. This is fabric tape. Got this because I'm always using it for stuff. Now, the old fabric tape that I used to have, yeah, I think that'll do okay. The old fabric tape, I'm not really sure what brand or what this stuff is even called, but it's like this cloth type tape. And I use this quite a bit on various things. It's got no markings on it. But I got this in a toolbox at a pawn shop, and it came with it. And the roll was about that big. I don't even remember how long. I mean, I've had this thing for probably, 4 or 5 years, and it's lasted me this long. But I really like it because it's like this fabric tape. So I ended up buying 2 rolls of this to see if it would compare. It doesn't feel as sticky, but we'll just have to see. I got a USB-C cable. I just wanted to try this out. It comes with this little pea leather or faux leather thing. This is 3 foot long, and it's not USB 3, but it does look like a data cable, so it's probably just USB 2. It's like a nice flexible USB-C cable. It's got these really nice aluminum contactors or housings for the plug-in parts of it. So we'll see how well that works. I actually bought this for my wife. Let's see what else. this, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, I know what that is. That goes with, let me get this stuff out of the way here. So I bought an ESP32 board. Again, this was like $1.99. I'm going to be playing around with Home Assistant and some... Oh, and it actually has a USB-C connector on it, so that's pretty nice. I'm going to be playing around with some developmental type stuff with these ESP32s. I'm going to play around with some programming. And oh, I know what this is. I'm dumb. This is a temperature sensor that I got. So I'm going to play around with this and just see... I'm just going to experiment with it because I've never played around with Arduinos or anything like that. And I'm going to attempt to, you know, create something like an outdoor temperature sensor, outdoor temperature and humidity sensor, so that I can sync it up with Home Assistant and, you know, just kind of play around with that because I never have before. So that's pretty cool. I'll set that to the side. What else do I got? Okay, so this is a pocket knife. I'm not totally sure what I even... I don't remember what it was. The box looks a little crushed, but... oh, it's got this little PU leather, fake leather case to it. Comes wrapped. It's a little skinny pocket knife. It's got a wood grain to it. It doesn't click. It just opens and closes. So it doesn't click or anything, but I got this as just like a little tiny pocket knife to have instead of carrying around, you know, a little bit bigger one. It's got like that Damascus steel look to it. That's pretty neat. This was like $4.50 or something like that. This is a multifunctional strong light flashlight. Laser flashlight. What the heck? I don't know if I totally remember buying this. Some micro USB charge on it. It's plastic. I don't see a laser anywhere. It's got, you can do 2, 4, or all of them. And flashing. Handy in a pinch, but it's plastic. It's got like a plastic casing to it, so I honestly don't remember ordering this. I was looking at it. Maybe I added it to my cart and forgot. But like I said, all this stuff that I got here was right at $30. I'm going to plug this in and get it charging. Oh, I've got these two tiny... I was going to take these to work. These are two tiny insulated screwdrivers. I got this weird stuff on them. Like the finishing casing or whatever. Yeah, these are two insulated screwdrivers. One is a Phillips, and the other one is a flathead. Because I wanted to put these in a tool belt that I carry at work. So it's something just that'll fit easier. So those are pretty, I guess, handy to have. And then the last thing I got is this beanie. It actually feels really nice. Looks like really good quality material. So yeah, that's my Temu haul. I'll be doing some videos on this ESP32 board because I got this temperature sensor here. I'll be playing with that later. And then I have a project. I don't know if I'm gonna maybe turn this into a ASMR type video or just record me doing it. And this I didn't get from Temu. I got this on eBay, I think. This is a amplifier board because I was gonna do a project with this, but I didn't end up doing what I wanted to do. So I may end up doing a different video. I'm gonna do a different video on this. I don't know. This isn't part of the Temu haul, but that's something that's coming as well. So stay tuned.